What if your code editor could actually help you write better code? Not just autocomplete your functions, but explain what your code does, debug errors with you, and even answer questions about your entire project. Today, I'm going to show you a tool that's doing exactly that and changing the way developers write code. Hi, I'm Sarah from Next AI Vault, and in this video, I'll walk you through an AI-powered code editor that's built from the ground up to supercharge your development workflow. It's called Cursor, and it's not just another plugin. It's an entire editor designed around AI. Let's dive in. So what exactly is Cursor? Cursor is an AI-native code editor built on top of the popular VS Code platform. But unlike traditional setups that add AI features through plugins or extensions, Cursor puts AI at the center of your development experience. It's designed specifically for developers, from solo coders and students to teams working on massive, complex projects. Imagine writing code, spotting a bug, and instead of Googling around or switching to Stack Overflow, you just ask your editor directly, "What's going wrong here?" And it answers. That's Cursor, built to reduce context switching, automate the boring stuff, and help you understand your code like never before. Let's talk about what makes Cursor so powerful. AI chat inside your editor. You can literally chat with the AI within the editor itself. No tabs, no distractions. Ask questions about your code, or even say something like generate a function that fetches API data and handles errors, and it just writes it for you. Codebase awareness. Unlike basic AI plugins, Cursor actually understands your whole project. It doesn't just look at the current file, it analyzes your codebase, so you can ask things like, where is the user authentication logic defined? And it knows. Smart code generation. Want to scaffold a React component, write a Python script, or build a SQL query? Just prompt it in plain English and it gives you context-aware suggestions. You're not starting from a blank page anymore. Explain errors and refactor code. Stuck on an error message? Cursor can explain it in simple terms. Need to clean up a messy function? It offers one-click refactoring suggestions. It's like having an AI code mentor right there with you. Debugging plus terminal integration. Cursor comes with built-in debugging tools and a terminal just like VS Code, but enhanced with AI that can help you step through problems and fix issues faster. Local AI model support. Worried about privacy? You can run local AI models so you're not always sending code to the cloud. This is a huge plus for companies or teams with sensitive projects. Here's where Cursor really shines. Let's say you're working on a legacy code base you didn't write. With Cursor, you can ask the AI, what does this file do? Or how does the login process work? And it'll give you a high-level summary, saving you hours of digging. Or you're building a new feature and need boilerplate code to get started. Instead of hunting through templates or copying from old projects, just prompt the AI. Create a sign-up form with validation, and go. Need to refactor spaghetti code? Cursor will not only clean it up, it'll explain why the changes improve readability or performance. For students, this is like having a tutor. For developers, it's like hiring a junior engineer who's always available. And for teams, Cursor helps everyone move faster and stay in sync. So who's Cursor really for? If you're a developer who spends time debugging, refactoring, or navigating unfamiliar code, this tool is made for you. If you're a programming student, Cursor can help explain concepts in real time and speed up learning. And if you're on a dev team handling a large code base, Cursor reduces overhead by making the entire project more searchable and understandable. Basically, if you're writing code regularly, Cursor helps you write better, faster, and with less friction. Cursor uses a freemium pricing model. The free plan gives you limited AI usage per month, which is great for light users or testing it out. Paid plans unlock more advanced AI capabilities and higher usage limits. While details may vary, you can expect a tiered model depending on how heavily you use the AI tools. You also get support for local models even in the free tier, which is awesome if you're concerned about privacy or want offline functionality. How does it stack up to something like GitHub Copilot? Well, Copilot works great as a plugin inside editors like VS Code or JetBrains, offering inline suggestions and chat. But Cursor is the editor, built entirely around AI from the start. It has deeper codebase awareness, smarter interactions, and better integration of chat, generation, and editing workflows. It's not just suggesting code. It's helping you understand and navigate your entire project. And unlike VS Code with extensions, you don't have to piece together tools. Cursor gives you a complete AI-optimized environment right out of the box. Now, Cursor isn't perfect. If you're using cloud-based AI models, your code context might be sent to third parties, something to consider for sensitive work. The free tier can feel limiting if you use AI heavily. And like all AI tools, the code it generates isn't always flawless. You'll still need to review and test everything. AI is your assistant, not your replacement. Here are a few tips to get the most out of Cursor. Use clear, specific prompts, like generate a Node.js API endpoint for creating users, instead of just create API. Ask Cursor to explain sections of unfamiliar code. This helps when joining a new team or taking over someone else's project. Use the one-click refactor tool to clean up messy code. It's especially helpful for improving naming conventions and logic flow. Set up local models if you're concerned about privacy or want faster response times without relying on the cloud. You don't have to be an AI expert. If you're already familiar with VS Code, you'll feel right at home. And if you're new to coding, the AI chat can help you learn as you build. Cursor is more than just a smart editor. It's a productivity booster, a debugging partner, and a code coach all in one. If you're tired of flipping between Stack Overflow tabs and trying to decipher cryptic error messages on your own, give Cursor a shot. It won't write your entire app for you, but it will make you a faster, more confident developer. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit like, subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns, and let me know in the comments. Have you tried Cursor? How does it compare to Copilot or ChatGPT for you? I'm Sarah from Next AI Vault, and I'll see you in the next one.